Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but there are some innate reasons why lots of people find certain eye colors, and one in particular, the most captivating. Physical attraction is, of course, highly subjective, but a whole lot of people agree that there's something particularly enchanting about the eyes. For some, locking eyes with another person across a crowded room is often the first thing that catches their interest. There's actually some science behind the appeal of the eyes, as well as what types of eyes are especially alluring. According to a 2011 study published in the scientific journal Aesthetic Plastic Surgery, pupil size, brightness, and eye color are all aspects of the eyes that can affect attraction. In a 2019 interview with Mind Body Green, Dr. Carla Marie Manley discussed that the rarity of an eye color is one of the main factors that influence preference. She explained that it's a basic human instinct to be drawn towards what stands out from the norm, primarily as a safety strategy. We notice what's different to be able to tell whether it's a threat or not. So what's unique naturally captures our attention, whether it's a potential threat or something we find pleasing. So if rarity is the key to noticeable eyes, green eyes would be considered the most attractive.
Look at you. Green eyes, cocoa skin.
According to a 2014 survey from the American Academy of Ophthalmology, just 9% of people in the U.S. have green irises. The iris itself is composed of 2 layers. No matter what eye color you have, the back layer contains brown pigment. It's the front layer of the iris, known as the stroma, that gives people their unique eye color. People with green eyes have light brown pigment, either in one or both of their iris layers. Couple this with blue scattered light that the eye reflects back, and you wind up with green eyes. The survey found that hazel is the second most rare eye color in the US, with an estimated 18% of the population having that color, a combination of green and brown flecked with gold or blue. Just over a quarter, 27% of people across the country were reported to have blue eyes, making it the 3rd rarest. The most common eye color is brown, with nearly half of the US population, 45% of the population, having those. A small portion of survey respondents reported having an eye color that was not included among the answer options. Rarity may not be the only factor that boosts interest in light-colored eyes, though. Lending further evidence to the notion that light eyes are perceived as particularly alluring, research shows that additional elements that influence eye attractiveness may be easier to see with lighter eye colors. One of these contributing factors may be the prominence of the limbal ring, the dark-colored halo that circles the outer edge of the iris where it touches the sclera, the white portion of the eye. A 2011 study published in Evolutionary Psychology revealed that both men and women found a darker, more pronounced limbal ring to be more attractive. Experts at Psychology Today noted that limbal rings tend to blend in with dark-colored irises, but stand out more prominently in those with light-colored eyes. It isn't just about the ring, though. In the 2011 study in Aesthetic Plastic Surgery, researchers presented 80 participants with pictures of 60 different eyes of women between the ages of 15 and 65. Participants were asked to rank eye attractiveness from 1 to 7 and guess each woman's age. Half of the participants were asked to identify what specific features of the eyes they were most attracted to.
You have beautiful eyes.
The test subjects identified greater pupil diameter and brighter whites of the eyes as 2 features that increased attractiveness. These attributes tend to be linked with the perception of youth. Participants also frequently brought up the color blue when discussing appealing eye features, providing further evidence of more common attraction to lighter-colored eyes. But there's no hard and fast rule. Again, attraction is subjective, and there are many elements that play into what individual people deem physically attractive in others. You never know who may catch your eye.